I really like the community. I just think everyone's like so nice. I think that's something that's a lot harder to find these days.
I feel like they're part of your family.
Just really alive, like everybody's just talking.
My friends are close and activities are close, so I don't have to walk too far. So like I'm more motivated to go to classes because they're so close.
We're close to the student center, to the caf, my classes.
You have the mailroom, the laundry room, and then right in the back of Trinity is the pool, and then you have your own parking lot.
The lobby, people are always hanging out there and you get to make connections over there as well.
Like people sitting here like talking. If you want to do homework or you want to talk to your friends, it's just a nice little space. Living at Lynn has just been really, really great for me, and I'm just excited for what's to come.